Hey everyone, this is Judi with JLBCrafts. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, thank you so much for giving me a try. In this video, I'm going to be setting up the week of December 12th through the 18th in the horizontal planner. This is classic size horizontal planner that I use for my safe space to hand letter. And I choose to hand letter inspirational quotes here. I'll show you a filled out spread at the end of the video, so don't worry about that. The theme I'm going to go with is, I have been wanting to do a winter floral spread where I just put the florals down the center for a while now. And so I was like, great, this is the one. One of the options on the HPTNT challenge, that's the challenge that I administer for the Happy Planning Tips and Tricks group on Facebook. Don't have to be a happy planner, but one of our options was blue and white. If you celebrate Hanukkah, blue, silver, white, you know, this was kind of like a holiday neutral option for you for that. Dutch Planner Challenge, their option all month, they have one option, it's the same for every week, is Blue Christmas. And then Decorative Planner Challenge, that's a new hashtag, that's why it's all squished in. Oh, nope, wrong one. The BHP, this is the Big Happy Planner Babes group, I think. There's no hashtag, but I do have a copy of their challenge, and their option for this week is winter flowers. So, you know, combining those three using blue and white florals, that's what I wanted to go with. I flipped through my books, I was all ready to go, and then I pulled the pages out and bam, they have green on them. No problem, that's okay. The florals I chose are from this is the brand new Winter Blooms book, which this just got restocked. I don't know if it'll still be in stock by the time this video posts, but it did get restocked in case you missed it. Hopefully you got it if you wanted. But these florals right here definitely say winter to me. The florals are blue, the greenery is green, so that's how I'm gonna hopefully be able to bridge the gap between the green on the page and the blue and the florals. So these are the ones we're gonna go with. I think that these holly leaves and the little berries definitely make it say winter. So let's white out this week. And then I also pulled some Simply Gilded washi tape. So this is winter washi from at least last year, maybe a couple years ago, but I love it because the foil has tiny little snowflakes in it. So I thought this would be fun. Since these are clear stickers, I'm not going to be able to layer it very well with them, but we will layer it. And then one of the things I love to do, so I put 2 boxes on each side of the spread, and that is so that when I look up my inspirational quotes on the internet, sometimes it tells you who the famous person is that they attribute that quote to. And I like to give credit where credit is due. So I include 2 spaces, 2 on either side for that information. I love to mix hearts in. So I have this is a book I made myself. It's multiple copies of colorful shapes. I will link how to do that in the cards up above. But there are some blue hearts there. And then there's another section of the book that has blue hearts as well. So let's get started. We'll definitely use those. Okay, so is that the first page? Yep, all those hearts are used up. Okay. All right, so first thing I want to do is put something down here to cover this up. And I also kind of want to cover that up. So let's just go ahead and grab this big corner sticker for right here. Grab your super pointy tweezers. The sticker paper in these books is wonderfully thin. It just melts right onto your page and you can't hardly tell it's there. But sometimes it's a little bit hard to get your sticker started. I find that super pointy tweezers help a lot for that. I do have some from Amazon linked in the description box. It is an affiliate link, which just doesn't cost you any extra. It just takes a couple pennies of the profit and directs it toward me in support. All right, perfect. So what I'll do then is write one big word to kind of tie all the quotes together. My whiteout does show a little bit there, but honestly, if I wasn't looking for it, I wouldn't even know it. So let's go ahead and grab a heart sticker. Whoops, that one looks like I restuck it. Not exactly in the right spot. So If we put this here to kind of cover up that whiteout, or I could use a bit of a flatter sticker, the floral, to cover that up. Let's see, I need something a little bit smaller because it's got to go under Sunday. Let's go ahead and grab like this one, I think. And maybe if I turn it like this, I can bring those florals down just a little bit and tuck this in. Or maybe like this. No. Maybe like this with the heart kind of tucked in. I just want to cover that white out somehow. And I don't have to put my box down here. Ooh, washi. Let's do a little tiny bit of washi. Let's see, how can we do, do I really want to add washi to the mix? This sticker's a little bit big. I think that's why I'm struggling. Although it is pretty light. So let's, okay. So I'm going to tuck this pointy part in between the punches. And that's going to line up the very bottom of the sticker to cover up the whiteout. I don't mind that it goes up over Sunday. I just need to decide now, do I want my heart here or do I want to come up here with them? I think I want to wait and come up here. So let's see here. And I think I can put some washi there. So the washi looks like the foil on it looks like it's snow kind of coming down. So I'm thinking maybe I want to put it at the top of the space. If I put it at the top of the space, like that, and then I put my box over top of it, my box. Okay, we're not going to stick this down super hard. Just going to kind of park it there because I need to decide what floral is going to go with it. And I'm thinking maybe half of a floral. So one of the things I can do, I can like take this one, for example, and we can cut it in half. So I think I will do that. I think I'm going to go ahead, grab my big scissors so I can do it in one swoop. And I'm going to pick a part where it kind of dents in and a corresponding part. And I'm just going to line my stickers up, or my scissors up, and make one quick, decisive cut, no hesitation. And that way you're much more likely to get a nice straight cut. Okay, so I think I want to slide this out just a little bit. And since so much of this washi tape shows out around and through and past the heart sticker, I'm running out of fingers. I want to run it right to the edge of the page so it doesn't have that awkward, weirdly placed rip. There we go. All right, and then let's put these florals. Let's use the bigger piece. One piece is slightly larger than the other. Let's use the bigger half, and we're going to put it right at the edge of the page, up over top of the washi. And then we'll put our heart on there, just kind of tucked into the florals and on the washi. There we go. That's pretty. I like that. Okay, and then if I want a second box here, I kind of need to put it here. So let's grab a second one. I know it's off camera, but I mean, you've seen this sticker book before. I'm just grabbing another blue heart. Okay. What if we put this one this way? This way. I don't want it to look exactly the same, you know. Let's put it this way. I'm going to bring it all the way down closer to Saturday, I think. and over as close to the punches as I can get. I'm gonna be lazy. I'm not gonna get my punch out. So, and let's put this one then like this. And what I can do is kind of turn it so it kind of tucks around Friday the 6th, Friday the 16th. There we go. That's cute. All right, so that gives me lots of space to write my 2 quotes. Now let's come over to this side. So since I've got my 2 hearts up high, I probably want to put these down low. And I really only ended up with washi one time there. So I really only want washi one time, I think, over here. Okay, so I think again I want to take, so this sticker could be quarters if I wanted it to, if I cut it like this. This one can absolutely be halves. Let's go ahead and make this a half. I think, let's see. Yeah, let's use it there and let's put it vertically. And I am gonna cut this one about 2/3. So I'm gonna come to about here and do my cut. There we go. Quick, clean, decisive cut. I think I'll put it here and just let it run up high on the page. Oops, there's a little bit of clear sticking up. There we go. Okay, and then the other, I need something here, but I want a heart. Let's grab another heart. I'm using all blue ones today. I think I want, so 1, 2, 3, 4. I think I want to put this one way down here, the other half of that sticker. I'm going to come over all the way to the edge of the page. Just let it cover Thursday, that's okay. And then this heart can kind of tuck right down in here. Maybe like this. There we go. Okay, so I need something here. Let's grab our last heart. I think this is where I'm going to need to put my last little bit of washi. So we'll put it up high. Like I said, I want it to feel like snow falling, the foil. So we're going to put it up high. Just by process of elimination, it helps me figure out where stuff needs to go. And then heart. That washi might be sticking out too far. We'll see. And then maybe this little guy kind of coming down this way. Although it's basically the same as this, just smaller, and it will be turned sideways. So I guess that's okay. I was gonna say I want to use 2 different things, but since it'll be turned in a different direction, I think it'll be okay. All right. This is gonna have to go on after, otherwise my sticker is gonna stick who knows where. There we go. Again, so just over close to the punches. Oh yeah, that's cute. That tucks right in, perfect. Okay, so last but not least right there. And I kind of feel like maybe I want to build a little bit of a cluster with some of these smaller ones. Is that what I want to do? Let's see, I've got this way, this way, this way. Yeah, let's just take these little odds and ends and kind of build a cluster. So we'll come up a little bit onto Tuesday. There we go. Here we got a nice flat edge. Oh, lots of flat edge side pieces. I love these berries. We're putting those on there. All right. One more. These have flat edges, and I kind of ran out of flat edge space. I could put one right there. So if I want any more, I kind of need one that doesn't have a flat edge. There. Okay, that's cute. It's done just that fast. I think the green looks pretty good on there, actually. I don't mind it at all. So let's put it on the discs, and then I'll show you a spread that's already filled out. There we go. There is my blue and white winter floral spread in my horizontal inspirational quote planner. So I did stop filling this out last fall, fall of 2021, because I had a pinched nerve in my shoulder and I needed to do less lettering for a while. So let's look for one that's got, I'm trying to show you different ones each week, but I just don't have super lots filled out, a whole lot. Cats, I could show you cats. Oh, there's one with blue and green. There we go. So, like I said, this just read. So all of these quotes have to do with reading. So many books, so little time. Frank Zappa. You will be transformed by what you read. Deepak Chopra. So on and so forth. So this is how I do it. I pick pens that match the colors in the stickers. All my quotes have to do with this big keyword. So I, for example, would do an internet search, inspirational quotes reading, and just sort through them to find some of the shorter ones, pick a couple where they tell me who they attribute the quote to, and there you go. That's how I fill it out. So if you've been practicing your hand lettering or brush lettering, hand lettering, even if you just really are wanting to work on your lettering skills in general, this is a great way. I found myself hesitating to go ahead and use my brush lettering skills I had been working so hard to develop in my planner because you can't erase. And so this takes a little bit of the fear factor out. Having a dedicated space, if you mess it up, oh well. It's okay. It's not in your main planner. So give this a shot, especially if you've got a horizontal planner sitting there for 2023 that you fell in love with and you're not sure what to do with it. Even if you're not working on lettering, just spending a few minutes relatively frequently, every few days, once a week, whatever it may be, reading through inspirational quotes and copying down the ones that really speak to you can have a positive effect on how you're feeling for the day. So I hope you like this video. If you do, please give me a thumbs up, drop me any kind of a comment, a smiley face, emoji, anything. Consider subscribing. All of those interactions help me with the YouTube algorithm and help me grow my channel. Thank you.